guys, welcome back to second time. Today we're going to be doing a review of the Redmi 11 Prime 5G and Redmi 11 Prime 4G. This is going to be an interesting review of these both phones, and let's head into the Redmi 11 Prime 4G. So basically, this Redmi 11 Prime 4G is basically like a model of Redmi, and it's a brand of Redmi, and its brand is Redmi 11. Wait, both of them are. Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Insider. Today we're going to be doing a review of the Redmi 11 Prime 4G and Redmi 11 Prime 5G. So today, let's do a review of the Redmi 11 Prime 4G first. So, talking about the Redmi 11 Prime 4G, we've got its brand and its model, which is Redmi 11 Prime 4G, with its price in India, which is almost 13,000. Its release date is 6 September 2022, which is basically, let's say, 3 days before. It's basically launched in India with its form factor, which is touchscreen. But there's something which I don't like about it, which is the body type is plastic. So then we also have like some stuff as like its weight. Its weight is 201 grams with its IP rating IPX2. So now let's head into the display. But before the display, I will also try to tell the unique colors that are put into this Redmi 11 Prime 4G, which is playful green, flashy black, and peppy purple. And just for your note, it has a battery capacity of 5,000 mAh, and that's all. Now let's head into the display, hardware, and many other.
Display touchscreen. Yes, there is touchscreen. Of course, all smartphones have touchscreen. Hardware, we have the processor is MediaTek. It's not Qualcomm, it's not Exynos. It is MediaTek Dimensity. Camera is 50 megapixel rear camera. Front camera is not given. Rear flash is yes. Number of rear camera is running MS3. Software is operating system Android 12. Skin is MIUI 13. Let's go to the camera.
Yes, now as we go for the connectivity of this phone, basically it has Wi-Fi. So now let's get into the Redmi 11 Prime 5G of this phone. So basically the Redmi 11 Prime 5G as well is released on 6th September 2022 with its brand and model, which is the Redmi 11 Prime 5G. So basically this phone is also the same price as the Redmi 11 Prime 4G with 13,000 rupees. So the launch date was on 6 September, as I told you earlier. Its form factor is touchscreen, which is body type, which is plastic. Its IP rating is IPX2 with its battery capacity of 5,000 mAh. It's removable battery, like there's no removable battery in this phone, but it's fast charging, which is proprietary. And now there is unique colors for this phone compared to the 4G version. This has colors such as the Meadow Green, Chrome Silver, and Thunder Black. Now let's enter the display of this phone and many other.
Display, we have more details for this phone rather than the Redmi 11 Prime 4G. There's so many details of the display, cameras, softwares, connectivities, and sensors. So even the genre also that's the same, but display has more things than the Redmi 11 Prime 4G, which is there is a FHD plus resolution. Standard screen is 6.58 inches. Touchscreen has a resolution. Standard is FHD plus, and then resolution is 2400 into 1080 pixels with a protection type is gold glass pixels, and pixels per inch is PPI 400. PPI hardware is processor mix MediaTek Dimensity 700. For the Redmi 11 Prime 4G, they just gave only the MediaTek. They didn't say which Dimensity is. Just about the camera and software.
Yes, now there's a slight change between the camera of the 4G, 11 Prime 4G and 11 Prime 5G. So basically for the 11 Prime 4G, we've got a camera of 50 megapixel and rear cameras of 3, which basically there's rear flash in the Redmi 11 Prime 4G. But here in the Redmi 11 Prime 5G, we've got rear cameras, which is a 50 megapixel with two rear cameras, which is rear flash, which is basically there, and there is an 8 megapixel front camera, and there's only one front camera. Now it has this operating system of Android 12, which also the Redmi 11 Prime has an operating system, which is Android 12 as well. So now talking about its connectivity, this phone has GPS. It has Wi-Fi standard support, which is 802.11 A by G by N by AC, with its Bluetooth version, which is 5.10 with its GPS. It is integrated USB Type OTG is there with its USB Type C and headphones, which is a 3.5 mm. It consists of an FM and its number of SIMs are 2 and active 4G on both SIM cards. Now let's head into the sensors of this phone.
Sensors. Based on lock gas fingerprint sensor, yes, camera magnetometer, yes, proximity sensor, yes, accelerometer, yes, ambient sensor, yes. Let's check out the time. Oh, 3 a.m. midnight. They're shooting. No, it's okay. It is not 20 p.m. That's what it is. Thanks for watching this video and also subscribe to our channel to support us. And thanks Xiaomi for sponsoring the video. It's a joke. My name is John.
My name is Jonas, and we are